But what we're going to do here is keep things simple and make an investment in Bitcoin. So if we click on the search icon in the top right, we can type in Bitcoin and we will see that populate at the very top. And just like with the stocks and ETFs, you can take a look at the performance here of Bitcoin or the particular crypto asset over different periods of time. When you're ready to buy, you're going to click on the buy button at the very bottom, and you can invest in dollar amounts just like with the fractional shares. And you can also change this here if you want to automatically invest in certain cryptocurrencies on a set schedule, but we're just going to do a one-time buy. So we're looking to put $10 into Bitcoin. You can also change the order types if you wanted to do limit orders, stop orders, or stop limit orders with cryptocurrencies. And if you wanted to invest in a whole Bitcoin, for example, if you had 58,000 or so, you could do that here, or you could put in the exact fractional amount of Bitcoin that you were looking to purchase. Since we're doing a small amount, we're going to change this back over to buy in US dollar, and we're going to put $10 into Bitcoin. Now, this is going to inform you of the spread associated with this investment, which is a 4-cent plus or minus that your order might be filled at, and this is going to allow us to buy 0.0001719 Bitcoin. Just like before, when you're all set, you're going to swipe up, and just like that, we invested $10 in Bitcoin through the Robinhood app. If we click on the done button and then we go back to our main crypto portfolio, we can see that we have $9.96. So because of that 4-cent spread, it's not a whole $10.